Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to make digital clock in Microsoft Excel. Go to Developer tab in the tab menu. If you have no Developer tab here, you can add it from File, Customize Ribbon. From Main tabs, here you have Developer Ticket. It will automatically add it to the tab menu. Navigate to Developer, Visual Basic. From View here, Code, change this to Worksheet. Carefully write this code. I will put the code in the description and then run. Close this workbook and back to Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.